Coconut oil skin cream. Both argan oil and coconut oil are very beneficial for skin, but when combined, they offer even more. This mix serves as a great face moisturizer for normal skin, and can be used as shaving or aftershave cream. You can use it as a body cream, as an after-sun lotion, or to soothe sunburns. It can also help make your hands, elbows, and knees softer. How to make it? Soften 1/4 cup of shea butter in a double boiler, over a medium-low flame, then transfer it to a large bowl. Add in 1/2 cup of creamy coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of argan oil, and whip for 2 minutes with a hand mixer. Now add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to the bowl, and whip again for about 5 minutes, until you get a fluffy mix. Transfer it to 2 4-ounce glass jars, or to an 8-ounce ball mason jar, depending on what you have got, or what you prefer. To enhance the action of this mix, you can also add in it 7 drops each of lavender and geranium essential oil. The benefits of the ingredients. Coconut oil is a well-known skin moisturizer. It penetrates the skin deeply, due to its small molecular structure, and nourishes it from within. It is also very effective against skin inflammation, and for skin softening and cleansing. Argan oil is another skincare jewel, since it moisturizes the skin, treats eczema and psoriasis, reduces inflammation, and delays skin aging. Its comedogenic rating is 0, which means it won't clog your pores, and can be used on oily and acne-prone skin.